Is Ninjatrader a broker? Ninjatrader, a well-established platform in the trading world since 2003, operates as both a trading platform and a broker, primarily focused on futures trading. It is licensed and regulated by top-tier authorities, such as the U.S. Commodity Futures Trading Commission, CFTC, and the National Futures Association, NFA, adding a layer of credibility to its operations. By the way, if you are looking for a reliable broker with very low deposit requirements and quick withdrawals, see the links in the description box below. Now that is out of the way, let's continue with our video. One surprising fact about Ninjatrader is its dedication to the futures market, which makes it highly specialized compared to other platforms. While many brokers support various asset classes like stocks, ETFs, and cryptocurrencies, Ninjatrader focuses almost exclusively on futures and Forex, which may be limiting for traders looking to diversify into other areas. Despite this niche focus, it has grown to over 1 million users globally. Another little-known aspect of Ninjatrader is the depth of customization it offers. It allows users to personalize their experience with advanced charting tools, hundreds of technical indicators, and even the ability to automate trading strategies. These features are appealing to experienced traders looking for precision and control over their trades. However, for beginners, the learning curve can be quite steep. Ninjatrader functions as a broker by connecting traders to futures exchanges, primarily through third-party clearing firms such as Dorman Trading and Phillip Capital. This means that while Ninjatrader provides the platform, the actual trade clearing is handled by these intermediary brokers, which is a common setup in the futures industry. Despite this setup, Ninjatrader is often referred to as a broker because it handles most aspects of the trading process, including offering market data, order execution, and support for futures accounts. One significant advantage of using Ninjatrader is its advanced toolset. Traders benefit from features like Market Replay, which allows them to backtest strategies on historical data, and NinjaScript, a programming language for custom strategy development. These tools are not only useful for experienced traders, but also for those looking to develop and refine automated strategies. Additionally, Ninjatrader's free version offers unlimited simulated trading, making it a great platform for learning and testing without risking real money. On the downside, Ninjatrader is not the most cost-effective platform. Live trading requires a paid subscription to market data, with costs that can exceed those of competitors. For example, market depth data for futures exchanges like CME or CBOT costs $16 per month, which is higher compared to other brokers that offer similar services at lower or no costs. Moreover, the platform charges inactivity fees of $25 per month if no trades are executed, making it less attractive for occasional traders. Another drawback is that Ninjatrader lacks a native mobile app, which is a significant limitation in today's fast-paced trading environment. Although users can access a mobile version via third-party integrations, this setup falls short of the seamless experience offered by many other platforms. Furthermore, the desktop platform is only available for Windows, leaving Mac users to rely on workarounds like running Windows on their machines. While Ninjatrader excels in offering a highly customizable trading environment, its focus on futures and the steep learning curve make it better suited for experienced traders. Its fees and limitations in asset classes are worth considering, especially if you're looking for a more diversified portfolio or mobile trading capabilities. In conclusion, Ninjatrader is indeed a broker, but with a very specific focus on futures and Forex trading. It is a powerful tool for experienced traders seeking advanced charting and automation capabilities. However, its higher costs, limited asset classes, and lack of mobile support may deter more casual or diversified investors.